Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Wednesday everybody. Welcome to all those that are new to my channel. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting the red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that little bell. That will notify you every time I upload a video. This is our project we're making today. It's a super cute little gift card holder. And I'm going to show you how we make this. So, now all the supplies that I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description below. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I will have all the measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there. Our designer series paper, beautiful paper, you guys. This is the Magnolia Lane designer series paper. And this piece measures 4" by 12". I have a piece of Mossy Meadow, and this piece is cut at 1" by 8", and this is for our belly band. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is so we can write a little message. And this piece is measured 2½ by 3½. And then I went and die cut using the Magnolia memory dies. I went ahead and I die cut 2 of these flowers because the dies actually you can use to cut out the flowers. So pretty cool. So I went ahead and did that so you wouldn't have to watch me. So we need to do some scoring. And I'm just using my scoring blade on my trimmer, and it's the lighter blade. And we need to score this at 1 5/8. So that's 1½, and then 2 tick marks after the ½ That's 1 5/8. Then we need to score this at 4 5/8, and again 4½, and then 2 tick marks after the ½ and that's 4 5/8. We then need to score this at 7½. We then need to score this at 10 5/16. Now I know 5/16 can be a little tricky, but not really. So 5/16 is 10 1/4, and then 1 tick mark after the quarter, and that's 10 5/16. And then we need to score. We need to cut at 10 15/16. So 10 15/16 is 1 tick mark before the 11 inches. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to take your trimming blade, and this measures 4 inches across. So you are going to come in about 1/4 inch, and you are going to cut up, but you're going to stop right there. So basically you are leaving 1/4 inch on each side is what you're doing. So now we can fold and burnish our score lines. And that is your gift card. I'm going to take some tear and tape, and all you want to do is you want to stick tear and tape from here to here. So just from there to there. So from this score line you're going to repeat it on the other side. I have my pick-me-up tool. And you're now going to fold this up like so. Now I'm a little skew here, you can see, so I'm just going to come back with my trimmer and trim that away so it's all nice and straight. Just like so. I've got some multi-purpose liquid glue. And I'm going to add that to my inside panel. I've got my paper snips and I'm just going to snip those two edges off, just like so. Now for the belly band, all I did was wrap it around you know what, I'm going to cut it a little shorter. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to add this and just cover up that seam. Now I will have at the top of the screen an iCard where I show you how to make different types of gift cards. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends. Leave me a comment. I love to hear from you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We'll see you back here on Friday. Take care.